crazy you're running this thing at quarter ohm. It's, if it's already not feel it, it's a little warm, but... Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh! Bass messes up everything. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
I'm CJ. There's 4 next ones. I said 3 or 2 12s on an AAK 8K a quarter. And then there's 8 6.5s on 180 by 4 down there.
Okay, nice. And this is your battery bank?
Yeah, underneath here. And today we set 2 world records. We set one yesterday, and then again today, and we beat that one from yesterday.
Really?
And this amp, I kind of went over the class and clamped 11,000 watts out of it.
Oh wow! So this is a what board amps power is it? And you're rated at half or quarter ohms where your wires?
Quarter.
Okay.
I think it's an 8. It says 8K, but I think it's a 12K board on it.
Yeah.
It's the
wow, that's crazy. How big is your box cubic wise, if you remember?
I think it's whatever these subs are, which I think is 2 per sub.
2 per, okay. So it's around 8 to 9. Nice. And your ports are on the side right there. Very nice. And what was your peak tuning on that?
It's tuned at 30, peaking at 29.
29. Wow, that's a low frequency peak. Oh, wow. Did you ever do Subsonic?
Yeah, that's
what your world record is. Okay, very nice.
All right. 152.6 out.
That's a long run. All right.
If you look on the outside of that door, there's actually a rip right here in the center.
Outside on that side.
It's on your side.
Oh, okay. Man, that's crazy. Woo. It's just the beginning too. That's not good. That's pretty solid, yeah. I like it, man. I appreciate it. How is that? Is that 4 runs or 3 runs on this amp? Wow. Oh, 3 runs. Okay. I was trying to see if it was.
Next year, in a little bit, it'll be a little cleaner. It'll be all OFC.
It looks good either way. I was seeing if it was a 3 or 4 input. It's a 3. Very nice.
It's a little overkill.
Yeah.
It works.
It's crazy you're running this thing at quarter ohm.
It's
if it's already not feel it, it's a little warm, but it's
been running all day.
But you've been demoing for a little while. Yeah. 112. Nice. It's a good amp.
Yeah. These, they just want to take more.
Yeah, they do good. Yeah. And these are 1500 RMS?
2.
2K, okay.
So this hand's barely doing anything.
Yeah, you're doing great. Congrats on the score.
Thank you. Next year.
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Get naked, no, you got a naked, but I don't wanna see you get naked. Dick broke, back on man, take it. You on the strip, all the bitch, all the years. Niggas say you getting money, but the whole world knows you got it. Work quick, these flex so hard, nigga, you have a street, this shit. Right there, when you rich, you can say shit, ain't broke, unless you broke, that's some real shit. I just see my whole family college now, rap nigga mad, cause his father never came around. Little brother J.A.1, always stayed down here, not too far from nigga if they talk down. That's right, Nike 250 talk loose, bitch giving that deep throat like a white goose.
Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out, my spit. Wrap 'em up. Jib out a coupe and the interior. 100,000 numbers on the wall. Treat me like a Bellamy. You gotta catch up on pussy like enemy. Pussy like enemy. Now put up in the good fall. Big dog, man. Inside that dog. Inside that dog. Got you like a wet dog. I never wanna go back to my record. Never get it.
it up and chop it up and dip it. Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. I'm up. Jump out of coupe in the interior. Walk in the bank, got a million to the $100,000 on the wall. I make the sauce and then run with the recipe. Run with the recipe. Treat me like the Bellamy. Treat me like the Bellamy. Like Elevate. Rub 'em up for hostage. Rub 'em up. Jump out of coupe in the interior. Ostrich. Walk in the bank, got a million to deposit. $1,000 on spit, flip beat. $100,000 on the wall, through chip. I make the sauce and then run with the recipe. Run with the recipe. All of my bitches treat me like the Bellamy. Treat me like the Bellamy. I'm on the couch and I'm posted like Elamy. Spread it out, mosh pit, yeah. Rub 'em up, put 'em up for hostage. Rub 'em up, yeah. Jump out of coupe in the interior, ostrich. Walk in the bank, got a million to the $100,000. Jump out of coupe in the interior, ostrich. $100,000.